Hello everybody. I am going to color from this World of Flowers coloring book. I am just in one of those moods today where I just feel like I need to color for my own stress, and my video camera and my printer broke, and I'm having all kinds of problems. So I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go and color my book. I never do that, so it's like you know, I'm actually coloring. Usually I take the book out and I you know, take the page out and I scan it and stuff, but I just need to color because it is stress relieving for sure. This is a canary yellow, and what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to show you here how I do this little flower. Okay, let's see if we could get a little bit closer here. Okay, let's see. Hopefully the lighting will be okay. Well, it's the first time I have to use this camera, so alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up here with the canary yellow, and I want to just give these guys a little tip on them. Okay, then I'm going to take some of this really pretty pink, and this is pink color, and I'm going to take the pink and see how I'm nicely coming up here and feathering it like I do. This is how I feather my I call it my flicking method. And then I'm going to go in, and you can always darken it, but if you put it in light at first, you're going to be able to be a lot safer because then it won't be too dark, you know, you won't have to use your eraser. Okay, then I'm going to put in, let's see, what color would be good? Let's try this one here. This is process red. Oh, sorry, this one's process red. So I'm going to darken this up a little with some process red. Okay. I just want to make something a little bit more interesting than just your regular flowers. I'm going to try some colors. Maybe I'll do some water drops. I don't know. Just want to do something a little bit more fun today. Like I say, when I've been sick for a long time. I got sepsis. I don't even know how I got it, but I was in ICU. Oh my gosh, it was so scary. And so I'm home now, but all my stuff isn't working. So, like I say, I'm just coloring for my own self. So now, see how I'm just feathering this in like this? Okay, that's pretty. Alright, let's add some non-photo blue. Non-photo blue is a really good color to kind of jazz it up. Because remember, red and blue make purple, and the yellow and blue make green. So we're going to have like, it'll have kind of like a little bit of variety of colors, which is kind of what I'm after. I want something colorful. I'm just going to darken this up maybe in the middle here. See, just get it. See how easy that is? You just want to put the color in nice. Maybe I'll put this blue in here. Now yellow and blue make green, right? So if we put that there and we take our yellow and we can kind of highlight this little area, leave the tips blue, you see how that turns into a green? Turns into a nice little green, right? There we go. Maybe like put these little guys here. Okay, there. That was nice. Maybe if I want to, maybe I darken the base just a little bit, huh? If I want to darken that base a little bit, this is dahlia purple, and well, with that you're gonna need to have a sharper pencil because this is a small area. And so I'm just going to put a little highlight here where it's a little darker, put some shades in the bottoms. Gotta have the drama, gotta have that drama. Like we don't have enough in our life already, right? This is a different kind of drama. Alright, maybe I'll make these little guys here. It's small, doesn't really matter. That's kind of interesting little flowers, huh? Huh, that's pretty cool. Alright, I think we need to darken this a little area. I want this to be a little bit more green. Okay. Alright, and I'm gonna, maybe I'll put some blue on this one since I had it in my hand. This is non-photo blue. Okay, I'm so used to these pencils. I don't know if you're new or You know, I know every single pencil color, and I've been using them for so long. But once you start using your pencils, you'll start knowing your colors too, just by the name. Okay, so now I'm going to maybe take the yellow, that's the canary yellow, and I'm going to do it this way. Well, they're not all the same. They're the same color family, but they're not exactly the same, which gives it, I don't know, a little bit more interest, I guess. Alright, ooh, that looks really cool, huh? I like it, I like it. Alright, and let's stick our hot pink, and with the hot pink, I'm going to kind of come up here with some hot pink. My little flicky method here. Okay. There we go. See? Easy peasy, huh? That looks cool. It's not a traditional flower, which is kind of what I'm after. That's the kind of mood I'm in. Okay, this is a processed red, so I'm going to put the processed red here. And I'm going to come up here. They're the same colors I used on the other flower, but I'm just putting them in a different way, because the pencils are transparent, meaning you can see through each layer. So even though it's the same colors, we're getting a different effect because of the way I'm layering it, with the way the colors I put in first and second. This one here is just a pink. I was going to get a pink. I'll throw a little pink down in here just to give it a little something. There we go. There you go. Alright, so there you go. That's how you do these really cute little bluebells. Just make them a little different than the average. I'm going to do some more. I'm going to do all kinds of flowers, so just keep watching, looking for the videos that I'm posting, because I'm going to be posting a lot about, in little sections as I do it. Each video is not really long. There you go. Alright, so there's my little bluebells. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Now we're going to do another flower. Ciao!